Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to get the Ask Gemini button back in Google Chrome. So if the Gemini AI button is missing from your Chrome browser, don't worry, because you can easily enable it again. First, open Google Chrome on your PC. Now, if you previously removed the Ask Gemini button by mistake, simply right-click on any Chrome tab at the top. After that, look for the option called Pin Gemini and click on it. Once you do that, the Ask Gemini button will instantly appear again in your Chrome browser. And if you still don't see it, here's another method you can try. Click on the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome and open Settings. Now, from the left side menu, go to AI Innovations. Inside this section, you'll find the option to enable or disable the Ask Gemini feature in Chrome. Simply turn the toggle on, and the Gemini AI button should start showing again. So yeah, that's how you can fix the missing Ask Gemini button in Google Chrome. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Chrome tutorials and AI feature updates.